More than 250 guests gathered on April 26th at Royal Albert's Palace for the SGML Eye Hospital USA Gala, raising $50,000 to support critical vision care in rural India. Led by Dr. Tushar Patel, the event featured performances by Sanjay Shah, Preeti Kandalur, Lipika Jena and Jignesh Patel with support from Medha Atri Kulkarni. Organized by SGML Eye Hospital USA Inc., the gala highlighted the organization's growing impact, over 2,000 surgeries and 20,000 consultations since 2023, while rallying continued support to combat preventable blindness near Ujjain.
Tonight, when we meet next time, I don't want to really set bar too high, but at least we should have 100-bed hospitals. So let's have a big round of applause. So let's set up the goal and we work towards the goal. You know, एक बूंद बूंद पानी से पूरा सागर बढ़ जाता है. So that's what we're going to do. Everyone's going to contribute a little bit here and there. Whatever we can. Remember, it's going for a good cause. And this is really what we need to do because, you know, it's black or white. People who are blind or you're partially blind, all they see is darkness and the black. And, you know, it's really hard for them to live a life in that darkness. And if we can put in just a little bit of light in their eyes and in their life, it will make a difference for themselves, it will make a difference for their families. So with that note, ladies and gentlemen, there's an individual who is very active in the community. He's been associated with many organizations just to do community seva. He reaches out to each and every one of them to see what he can do, how he can help them. Completely selfless service, fully dedicated. So, with your round of applause, it's my highest honor and privilege to welcome the President of SGML Eye Hospital, Dr. Tushar Patel. SGML Eye Foundation is a 501c3 chapter. Give him a big round of applause. He's a very good singer, but he is extremely generous person and he's working very hard. Tushar Patel.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev. Tonight is not just an evening of gathering, it is an evening of purpose, compassion, and humanity. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor and a privilege to welcome you all to the SGML Eye Hospital USA Gala here at beautiful Royal Albert's Palace. In rural regions of Madhya Pradesh, access to basic eye care remains a serious challenge. In the Ujjain district alone, more than 250,000 individuals live in complete blindness. Nearly 1 million people suffer from partial vision loss. Behind every number is a human story. A parent unable to see their child's face, a worker unable to earn a livelihood, an elder slowly fading into isolation. There is a simple yet profound truth. The act of kindness, no matter how small, is never wasted. The need is urgent because every year the district requires approximately 50,000 to 60,000 cataract surgeries, yet existing systems can only handle about 30,000 surgeries combined, leaving a devastating gap of 20,000 to 30,000 untreated cases annually. This leads to waiting periods of 6 months or more, and for many, that delay turns into permanent blindness. But where there is a compassion, there is a hope. Under the divine guidance of Shastri Anandjivan Das Ji of Ujjain Satsang Mandal, and with the blessings of Lord Mahakal, a remarkable decision was made. Instead of building another place of worship, a temple, they chose to build something equally sacred, a place where sight is restored and lives are transformed. Since the hospital opened in January 2023, over 2,000 eye surgeries have been successfully performed, and more than 20,000 outpatient consultations have been provided by the dedicated and professional staff. Many of these services are provided at minimal or highly subsidized cost, ensuring that no one is denied care due to financial hardship. Your contribution tonight is not about the amount you give, it is about something far deeper. It is about imagining just for a moment the pain of losing vision, the darkness that replaces light, and the fear of a world that slowly disappears. And then it is about choosing to care enough to change that reality for someone in real need. Our New Jersey Trust members and I had the opportunity to visit the hospital during its 3rd anniversary this year in January, where the Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh attended as the chief guest. He expressed his deep appreciation for the hospital's impactful work and the quality of care being delivered. Now it is time to invite and recognize our New Jersey Associate Trust members.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम तुझे देखा